Save Privileges was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable money to each individual on the planet. Hold Freedom's project emphatically accepts that excessive inflation can be destroyed. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing out-of-control inflation. Save was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting at the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Save Freedoms create cash by taking a charge from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. Hold Privileges permits the client to save, move, spend, and get cash through the Hold application. And the local token is known as the RSR. Save Freedoms have joined forces with the Venezuelan government to determine the issue of cash precariousness. They have laid out a corporate association with 7 Versatile Africa, Angola's biggest cell phone merchant. The major institutional financial backers of Hold Freedoms incorporate Coinbase Adventures, Computerized Money Gathering, NGC, Finbushi Capital, Valorum Capital, Pre-Heavenly Messenger, Rocket Fuel, Crypto Lotus, and so forth. Save Privileges projects expect to deliver an option in contrast to government-issued currency by conglomerating a bushel of tokenized resources, which are steady in buying power. Hold Privileges intends to change the container over the long run with a drawn-out view that the right bin for the ongoing year may not be no different for what's to come. New increases and deduction will be there each year founded on the financial requests. The most recent news from the power of Save Freedoms is that they are dealing with a decentralized cash with a steady buying power, verifiable information and market opinion of RSR. As indicated by Huobi's True Data, 3% of RSR tokens were sold on the underlying 2 rounds of send-off. The main round was by means of market request on a the early bird gets the worm premise, and the subsequent round was a breaking point request in which tokens were designated by buy some. In the underlying convention send-off, the center group is anticipating 2R token. One is an unadulterated USD coin supported exclusively by USD fiat coins, and the other is yield-bearing USD coins which are upheld by DEFI USD tokens. According to the most recent news, the Hold Freedoms environment is exceptionally committed to growing with additional complex advanced instruments and adding resources for its computerized safe. The ongoing cryptographic money market feelings of RSR are pessimistic and exchanging on a negative pattern. On Binance's most recent multi-week, it has given a deficiency of practically 30% for financial backers. The complete market cap is $228,392,585 with an all-out supply of 100 billion tokens. The circling supply is 13,159,997,677 RSR, and the Hold Privileges cost today is 1 cent. Investigating the verifiable information of RSR cost on the everyday diagram. The untouched high at which RSR exchanged was 11 cents on April 16, 2021, while the most reduced cost at which RSR exchanged was $0 walk 2020. Over the most recent half year, Hold Freedoms gave the financial backers a critical misfortune. Crypto markets are generally unstable in the midst of worldwide opinions. The RSR nature is additionally exceptionally unpredictable, and more dangers are implied since it relies upon different monetary forms and numerous different variables. Save Freedom's specialized investigation. Specialized examination on day-to-day graphs shows that the ongoing cost of RSR is 1 cent with a 8.43% misfortune and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,817,332. The base value of the present exchanging meeting is 1 cent. And the most extreme cost is 1 cent. The RSR cost graph shows that the Hold Freedoms cost has diminished from all time and exchanged sideways. Later on, in July, the morning star affirmation on the outline started an upswing. RSR built up speed and covered half. Then, at that point, it saw a pattern inversion. Sell signals have showed up. RSR's cost tumbled from the help levels, shaping worse low points with decreased volume. From the last May onwards, RSR cost is exchanging sideways. And on an equal channel, OBV isn't maintained. It is fluctuating, yet dealers are not totally surrendering trust on Hold Freedoms. On equilibrium, volume is set at 4.65 billion. Vacillation shows the vulnerability of Save Privileges cost forecast. The cost of Hold Privileges has broken the close by help at 1 cent and moving towards the 1 cent support zone. The significant help is put at $0. On the off chance that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Save Privileges underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. On the day-to-day diagram, the anticipated degree of adjacent opposition is at 2 cents. On the off chance that RSR, USD breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the obstruction level of 4 cents. The cost of Save Freedoms needs to hop. The significant opposition is put at 4 cents prior to entering the upswing towards an unsurpassed high. The typical directional record is moving towards 21.2, showing a negative pattern. despite the fact that hold privileges attempted to break out after a W design development on the diagram, however neglected to conquer the levels. After the most significant levels, it has executed a falling wedge on the diagram. Assuming it breaks the level displayed in the picture, it will move towards an upswing. Specialized examination shows that it will move downwards for the ongoing meeting and a slight expansion in the following couple of days. In the event that it neglects to break the obstruction, it will again turn into a downtrend. Save Freedoms USD is moving beneath its 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA, bullish as long as possible, in the midst of worldwide feelings. It shows the sell feelings in the cryptographic money market. Expect the pattern will change for the time being, and costs will move towards better upsides. Significant specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength record and MACD are displayed in the figure. RSI is 26, showing negative energy. Numerous merchants are confounded about the positions. The MACD line is likewise negative, and the ongoing value pattern might go on in the impending exchanging meetings. Current market opinions are negative, however the drawn-out view might turn positive. RSR cost is supposed to ascend from the ongoing level in the close to term without a doubt. The valuation of resources of the Save Privileges project is really great for what's in store. In the event that it can build the market cap and execute the convention without numerous escape clauses, the cost of hold privileges will increment. Forceful dealers can take a section here, others can sit tight for pattern affirmation. Current negativeness in the cost of hold freedoms may not support for a lengthy period. Hold privileges value expectation 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the hold privileges cost is supposed to exchange at 2 cents, and in the center, the obstacle of 2 cents will be crossed, and it might advance toward the most extreme degree of 3 cents according to our Save Freedoms value expectation 2022. The whole year, hold freedoms is supposed to move at a typical cost of 3 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. Save Privileges value forecast 2023. 2023 on the drawn-out graph is great for the crypto market. However, according to Save Freedom's cost expectation, the RSR isn't supposed to contact the 10 cents level this year. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the 3 cents level, and later RSR costs will cross 4 cents, which might be the most extreme cost of Save Privileges. While it might expect a typical cost of 3 cents, Save Privileges value expectation 2024. Save Privileges cost expectation shows that it will cross 5 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise venture for the present moment. Later on, Hold Privileges is expecting speculations internationally and will extend its impressions to major crypto markets. Save Freedom's cost expectation for the year recommends the base and greatest cost perhaps 4 cents and 5 cents with a typical cost of 5 cents. Hold Freedom's value expectations 2025. According to our specialists, Hold Freedoms is supposed to gain more resource base from here on out, and our RSR value forecast is expecting that it might arrive at a most extreme cost of 6 cents. The cost might hang between 7 cents to 6 cents with a typical cost of 6 cents. Hold Privileges value forecast 2026. Investigating the drawn-out figure, Hold Privileges may neglect to cross the